and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Now in today's video, I'm going to be doing something by popular demand. A lot of people have been requesting that Jay do some more cooking on the channel. Yeah, today is the day. So today I'm going to be whipping up something delicious for you guys. Real Jamaican authentic cooking, and we're going to just do it together. So if you're ready, let's take the journey together. Let's go! J squad, from no really see the board and know what we're going, right? So as you can see right here, we have some Maggi seasoning, all purpose. We also have onion, we have country pepper. Right over here we have ginger, cause and everybody can really manage curry. Talking about curry, we have the curry right over here. We have some all-purpose same way, and we also have some jerk seasoning. In the corner right here also we have some garlic. So you know, so we are going to really whip up something curried, don't it? So let me take you out of the suspense. Today we're going to be doing some curry chicken. So just how deal with a little thing and just deal with it. Everybody in Jamaica has their own style of doing things. They have their own ways of cooking. You know, people from Manchester might cook different from people in St. Thomas. But me just how do it, how me learn it. And let's see what comes out at the end of the day now. And what we have in store for you today, as I said before, is some curry chicken. So guess what now? We're gonna kick off the preparation process, and you know the first part of the preparation process is to get your seasoning ready. Also to go ahead and get your meat cleaned up. So the next step is to get our meat cleaned up. Alright, so join me over there. So here's the chicken that we're gonna be preparing today. So you guys can see for yourself. Here's the chicken. So first matter of cleaning, guys, you can clean it several different ways. Grandma and all of them people that them used to teach say you must always have your lemon or your civil orange. Well, unfortunately today we don't have any civil orange or any lemon, so we're gonna have to resort to the good old fashioned vinegar. You understand? So what we're gonna do first is run the meat under running water. Persons who are trying to eat healthy, you also want to get rid of the additional fat. Now some people like to keep on the little bottom part, yes, let me bring it up closer. Some people like to keep on this little part right here, but I for one don't necessarily keep that part on there. So I'm gonna get rid of that part. It's clean. We are gonna take it to another level. When we're cooking curry chicken, we don't cook it in large chunks. So we normally cut up our meat. So we are gonna now cut up the meat. So the next time you see this meat, it is going to be cut up. So whenever you're preparing any form of meat whatsoever, guys, make sure that you have a nice kitchen knife or a good sharp knife that can help you to take care of what you need to take care of. Remember earlier, guys, I mentioned that it is good to have your civil orange or you have your lemon. Now the main purpose of having the civil orange or the lemon is to cut the rawness. Also remember, guys, that once you are in the kitchen, make sure that you have a clean towel ready at hand. So every process that you go through, make sure that you wash your hands under the running water and have a clean towel to always clean up back your hands so you can go back to work. Now at this point, guys, I'm gonna go ahead now and add vinegar, and that should help to cut down the odor and help to clean the meat. So that's gonna take a little moment. Catch me on the other side now, guys. So now there you have it, guys. Your meat is now in smaller portions. See? Take a look for yourself. The meat is now in smaller portions. So the meat is now ready for you to go ahead and see. so far, just go ahead, like, subscribe, and just drop a comment. It actually helps the channel to let YouTube know that people are actually engaged. So yeah man, if you like the video, drop a like, drop a comment, drop a subscribe. Do me another favor to watch a video for at least 2 or 3 minutes before you actually drop a subscription on the channel. And also remember, please hit the notification bell. That will help you to know whenever we are going to drop content like this again. Guys, look at that. This is the color consistency I was telling you about. Look at that. You can already see that some of them are turning brown. You have the meat simmering, guys. You want to make sure that you don't go too far, because some of us men, when we are in the kitchen, we love to leave it and go watch football on TV or any other thing and find ourselves preoccupied. So you can't really do that, guys. You have to look and make sure that the meat is taking color, but at the same time you don't want to have it burned. So you have to be in close proximity. Alright? And as soon as it starts taking a little bit of color in the right way, guys, to get rid of the whiteness, as we said before, you're gonna need to now turn it. These are not ready for turning just yet, but I'm just giving you the breakdown so you guys understand what we are working with. See what I told you guys? Everything is taking color. And we're making sure that we bring out all the natural juices, all the natural oils from the meat. So as I said before, you watch it carefully, and as soon as you get the right colors, guys, and consistency that you are comfortable with, go ahead and turn it on the other side. Remember, guys, on a fry the chicken, you're getting it to take color. You're asking what I'm doing. One of these days, when you're older, you will be in the kitchen with daddy. Alright? When you're older, you'll be in the kitchen with daddy as well.
Okay.
When is that? When you get big. Yes, I'm cooking. Yes, coconut powder. Yes, but we're not using the coconut powder today.
Okay.
So you also have to make sure, guys, that you're turning them now with regularity before you add your water, because you don't really want anything to stick. So you just leave that for a little while and allow it to sit right there. Alright? So the next move you're going to make after that now, guys, is you're going to now add water to the seasoning that meat came out of. And in adding the water now, guys, that's also going to bring out the flavor, and also for us to make some green. I'm just going to go ahead now and just add the water to it with the rest of the seasoning, and just allow all of that, as I said before, to fall in love. We're going to allow that now to just settle in, and we're going to allow it now to come together and form gravy. Also, guys, make sure that all of your meat is just submerged, so that all this lovely flavor can just fill it up. Here, taste that, guys. One of you guys in YouTube world, taste that for me. Just to let me know if it is too salt or too peppery, so that I can make some adjustment. I'm sharing it with you already. Finished product. There you have it. Finished product. So I'm gonna share out now so you guys can actually see it on a plate. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, I want you to just go ahead and drop a subscription, drop a like and a share. Also remember to comment because it really helps the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can always get good content like this whenever we post. So catch you guys on the next one. And as we always say, Jay says, and we are out of here.